Custom double-end profiling machine for profiled panel processing. Equipped with intelligent touch screen for easy parameter adjustment. Automatic feeding system ensures stable and smooth material conveying. Complete double-end profiling of panels in one processing pass.